So I got invited to this Red Bull Tokyo Drift, as they call it, event. It's an invite-only thing. They were very, very particular about keeping everything under wraps. And now we are finally getting there. We're not supposed to be here for another hour, but we're here anyway. I'm hoping to see some cars rolling in. This is actually really, really exciting. I don't know what to expect. And the location is pretty fire. And dude, I don't want to tell you what we expect to see, but I'll give you a hint. Take a look at the structure of the parking lot. Now, if I say Tokyo Drift, and if I show you that, what do you expect? And it's not only gonna be like action tonight. In fact, we know as a fact there's going to be some serious cars showing up. All right, so we found the place, but we didn't find the actual entrance. We have some time. We didn't find anybody except a couple of chicks that were shooting there with Red Bull logos, and I didn't want to bother them, so I'm gonna go look for the entrance, which is supposed to be on the opposite side. And yeah, my sense of direction is not gonna help with this. Yeah, now that makes more sense. I see staff there. I see already Oompa Loompa with lightsabers. Holy crap! I know that car. I know that car. I know that car. I don't know that car. The 35. That's kind of fire. Ain't gonna lie. Look at that red one. Oh, that's the carbon fiber one. That's freaking Active Garage. That's Active Garage. Okay, arigatou gozaimasu. Sumimasen. Hi. Oh, I know that. That's Miura. Bro, no. That's so cool. That is fucking sick. This is ridiculous. I gotta get me one of those. This is not just put together, dude. Yeah, I was kind of feeling bad because I came with a Monster at a Red Bull event, and I'm like, well, that's not the right way to find a sponsorship. The place is massive. That's Miura-san's. That's Miura-san in disguise. The guys from Mines are here. The guys from Bales, like freaking everyone is. It's ridiculous. That's Shikao Company. Daigo Saito. È Miura-san. Genki desu ka? Kyou arigatou ne. Arigatou gozaimasu. Look, the friends representing. Just doesn't care. I would be terrified of even touching this thing. The event is promising to be absolutely insane. This is a gathering of cars that you see at Wagfest maybe, except that this time it's really just the cars. Genki? This is the Pantera that I wanted to shoot tomorrow, but unfortunately it didn't happen. But it's gonna happen. Sashiburi, Genki. And that's how you use a spoiler. Now that's the guy of the Valkyrie right there. Sashiburi, Genki desu ka? Omote Konnichiwa. Hisashiburi. How's it going? Hi. He remembered. We got the okay to go live in an hour. It's fucking nuts. Hisashiburi. Bro, there are people that have so much aura, even if I don't know them, I know they're famous. Of course, man. Of course. It was a very well kept secret for a long time. I myself knew for about 3 months, but still a lot of people showed up. The only thing is that pretty much everybody except for me is famous. And I understand why they decided to keep it under wraps. It's become a little bit of a necessity recently. If you want to do something more exclusive, it makes it look cool. And to be entirely honest, having an event like this that is exclusive, knowing that very few people managed to come here, even knew about it, is actually pretty cool, and it makes it way more enjoyable. However, it's also kind of easy to put yourself in the shoes of, you know, the version of me that never really did make it here, and yeah, it's kind of sad. Although, super excited to be here. There were so many cars that are absolutely stunning that it's practically impossible to show them all and talk about them all without making a 9 hours video. These are some of the most ridiculous highlights that we found at the Red Bull Tokyo Drift event. Let's start with this Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR Pro, a car that was built to race and that's all it can do. Literally cannot go on the road. It was brought here at the Red Bull Tokyo Drift event by our friends of Shikao Company, and it's an absolutely fantastic machine. I was almost in tears. It looks almost like a prototype car, more so than a race car. One day we have got to see it on track, but for now we're just gonna admire it from up close while it's standing still here all quiet. Next car up is this really cool build by Hayato. Now, I know you must have seen at this point similar cars to these, you know, they resemble the Fast and Furious franchise, Paul Walker's R34 in the Too Fast, Too Furious, but in Japan, this is one of the OGs, and yes, you will notice, if you're really passionate about the movie and the car, that this car, except for some details, doesn't really look much like the Fast and the Furious one. In fact, the owner, Hayato, a really good friend of mine, he has had this car for a very long time. He drifts the hell out of it, and he really knows how to use it.
That's way too many legends altogether.
think I found the one piece, man. Holy shit. What do you wanna bet? These are real OG, honest to God, midnight club. Jesus. And there is a one, to me, special car here, this R32, who belongs to Hiroshi Tamura, the father of the GTR. You may know that, we interviewed him. The video is up, but you can go and take a look at it. And we spent a whole day with this stupid nice car. Also, allegedly, midnight. Well, at least the car is, right? You see the sticker. Well, guys, this was the Red Bull Tokyo Drift event in an undisclosed location, invite only, and it was awesome. A little bit overwhelming, but awesome. I came in thinking, I'm gonna do pictures, I'm gonna do reels, I'm gonna do video. I didn't. I was all over the place. Then again, I didn't know what to expect, and this was really a lot of freaking shit. Now, thank you so very much for watching, and thank you so very much for sticking around until now. And as you can see, we get sometimes some access that other people don't get. So stay tuned and please log into this channel, subscribe, comment, and like if you like. This is Lucio, aka Italian in Japan of RPM Generation. I'll see you soon.